Norfolk State University, NSU, founded in 1935 during the Great Depression as Virginia Union University Norfolk, has grown into a proud historically black college and university, HBCU, with the mission of providing higher education opportunities for African Americans. Renamed NSU in 1979, the school carries nearly 90 years of history tied to African American empowerment, producing leaders who impact their communities and the nation. To honor this heritage, Nike is releasing a special edition of the Air Max 95, highlighting NSU's green and gold colors. The sneaker features layered yellow suede, green leather, and gray and off-white tones, echoing the school's vibrancy and resilience. Details include the motto "Behold, the green and gold" on the heel, NSU on the tongue, and its founding year 1935. Priced at $190, this commemorative pair launches globally at Nike retailers in the 2025 holiday season.